Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it and comment your opinion. Please kindly join in the Telegram channel which is given in the description. So in the last video I have shown you how to connect Python in Power BI to load the data to Power BI desktop to here. And in this video we shall go further. So for that one, students data I have prepared. So it consists of a name of the student, ID of the student, course, branch in which the student has joined, gender and a category. So in this video we shall use the Python script to visualize the data, that is to count the courses and to count the branches and they count the number of males and females in the gender and to count the categories. So for that one we need to load the data first. So once I loaded the data similar to the first video, so if I select this students data, so it will be showing the preview. So there we need to check whether any empty columns were present or not. So see here, number of empty columns were there. So I don't need such kind of empty columns. So if there were no empty columns present, direct load will be useful for you, but as there were empty columns I need to transform the data. So I will be clicking on the transform data. So how we will be knowing whether those were empty columns or not? So see here, all other columns were having 100% valid, error 0, empty 0, but if you look at empty columns, valid 0, error 0, empty 100%. So click on, select those columns only which will be having empty as 100%. So once you select, so right click on the selected columns and remove columns. So click on that remove column. So if you look at your data, so no empty columns were present. So now go to the file tab and click on apply first. So 21 rows has been loaded. So cancel now. Now cancel this one. Go to the file and click on close. So now you can see students data has been loaded here with the required column. So now what I want to do is that I want to visualize by using the Python visual. So click on the Python visual in the visualizations. So I am going to enlarge this one, and if you look at here, once you select that Python visual, so Python script editor will be shown. So in order to work with this we need to drag. So I want to know how many branches count were there. So select that one. So that one will be added here. So now Python will be enabled. So start writing code here now. So for that one, import pandas as pd. So import matplot lib dot pyplot as plt, because we need to have matplotlib also in order to show the visual properties. So import cbone next, cbone as sns, and now the path, that is df is equal to, I am going to assign to df, that is pd dot read underscore csv raw, as it is raw file, small r, double quote start, path paste there and double quote close. So up to here everything finished. Now we need to use the count plot. So count plot is in cbone. So sns, as we have declared cbone as sns dot count plot of, so x is equal to as it is branch, so double quote, sorry not double quote, single quote you can take, no problem, but single quote branch and data we got from df here, df, and now we need to represent the title plt, that is matplotlib plt dot title of, that is branch distribution. Only distribution we go for count plot, and plt dot show. So now if you click on run script here, So now if you look at the visualization, so all branches were showing with the same color, but I don't want to do that one. So here we will be visualizing the count in the form of these bars. So but I want a different color for each branch. So CSC has been repeated 2 times because I have given here CSC name as in capital form, and here I have given in small form. So that will be a different branch considered. In the next video I will be making this one also in the capital format, so no need to worry about that. No, it will be enough for you. So but I want to show a different color now. So for that one, what I will be doing is that so I will be using a property called as a PALETTE palette. So that is equal to deep palette. So now if I run this one, so now you can see the visualization of branches with the different color. EEE given with this color, EC with this color, CSC with this color. So similarly others also. So this is how you need to show the count. So similarly, if I want to show the same thing for other data values also, we can do that also. So now what I am doing is that I am going to remove that branch from here, and I want to show the category. So I am going to select that one. So see here, so in place of branch we need to write the category. So see, everything okay. So now if we run the script now, so now if you look at here, the category is having 2 categories. One is non-reserved and other one is the reserved. So non-reserved shown with this color, reserved shown with this color. So branch distribution, because I didn't change, so that's why it has shown that one. So similarly we can do for others also. For example, if you want to show the gender, so select that gender and unselect this category. So here you need to write gender, and here you need to write as a gender distribution. So now if we run, so now if you look at here, gender distribution is males are this many and females are this many. So that was the visualization of gender distribution. So if you want to practice, so you can go for the course also. So say do the same thing for course. Okay, in the next video we shall go for other things. Thank you.